Eléctrica la moto.
Sí, gracias.
Gracias.
Ah, français. Je peux passer dans les voitures ou pas? C'est bon? Merci. Ouais. Bonjour.
Allez, maintenant.
Là, aujourd'hui, je vais à Fes.
Fes.
Barcello, Autel, Medina.
Bienvenue.
Merci. Bonne journée. Bonjour.
Give me the passport. La carte grise, c'est une moto suisse.
Ouais.
Si vous avez quelque chose à déclarer pour la douane.
Ah non.
Caméra drone, non? Caméra drone.
Caméra, j'en ai, ouais. Drone, non.
Une devise, combien vous avez? En euros?
100 € à peu près.
100 000, 100 millions.
100. 100 millions, j'aimerais.
Venez souvent?
C'est la première fois.
Et après.
Merci.
Voilà.
Ah.
C'est bon.
Merci.
Une carte, c'est la carte de la douane. Vous auriez besoin en retour.
Ok, ça marche.
Bon séjour.
Merci. Merci. Au revoir. Bonjour. Je dois remonter là-bas. Bonjour. Bon. Good morning, everyone. So I'm officially in Morocco, and believe it or not, it's the first time I come here. Never came before. It's my country number 60. Good number. Look at that view. They call it the Blue City. Now I'm heading to my charging stop. It must be a Type 2. It's really in the middle of nowhere. This part is very green. The road is not perfect, but it's good enough. I know some roads in Switzerland that are not better. Salut! Vous avez une borne de recharge électrique? Borne pour les voitures électriques? The first guy said no, and the second told me near the bus. So let's check this out. Yes, he was right. Just for me. Je suis à la borne au café Appia. Je suis branché à celle de gauche. Alors, un instant. Non, je vois pas de LED. Je vois rien. They need to find a switch, but they don't know where it is, so they are looking for it. The guy is very nice. The lady as well. I'm sure they will find a solution. Their Type 2 charging was not working. The owner of the restaurant explained me that when they put it on, it blows up the place. In the end, they just opened the window for me and allowed me to charge, which was very nice of them. I had the bike in the field of view of my table, and I also had an extended lunch. This is Fes that we can see in the background. It's another city that feels lost in the middle of nowhere. Salut. Ouais. C'est derrière là? Et il y a une barrière? Non?
Oui, il y a une barrière.
C'est dedans? Ok, j'y vais. Merci. Their technician helped me to find an outlet for the bike. I just changed the amp to 10 so that it's taking only 1.8 kilowatts. I don't want to burn the place. It was another challenging day, coming from Spain to Fez with the Type 2 not working. Tomorrow will be different. I don't want to arrive at night, so I will probably start very early as well. See you tomorrow!